Is Evelyn Grace Vancouver a total scam? I dove deep into their 2026 reviews, and honestly, you need to hear this before you hit that checkout button. So, is Evelyn Grace Vancouver legit? Well, they are a real store. They take your payment, they ship you something, but here's where the red flags start flying. Let's talk reviews. On Trustpilot and other sites, they're scoring a rough 1.3 to 1.7 stars. Ouch. Most complaints? Customers say the clothes are nothing like the photos. Think cheap, thin material, polyester, not the gorgeous linen you thought you were getting. And about Vancouver in their name? That's pretty misleading. A lot of shoppers report their packages actually come straight from China, not Canada, and the quality often screams fast fashion disappointment. Worst part? The returns process. Their policy says you pay for all shipping, even if the item's not what you ordered. Sometimes the cost to return is more than the item itself. That's if you even manage to get a response from customer support, which, according to reviews, is basically a ghost town. Shipping, expect to wait. Their policy admits to bundling orders to reduce waste, but all that means for you is multi-week delays. And you only get 30 days to return after you finally get your package, with all the original packaging, which, let's be real, is easy to mess up. So, my honest take? If you love a gamble, maybe go for it. But if you want peace of mind, you're way better off with trusted Canadian brands like Envy and Grace or classics like Vero Moda.